Assalamu alaikum and a very good evening to all of you. How are you all doing today? That's really wonderful. I would like to thank to Madarasa Baitul Uloom and Sunnah English Medium School for providing us with a wonderful platform to enlighten our brains and develop our personalities. Today I am talking about why jealousy destroys good deeds. The Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said, jealousy will eat away at your good deeds, in the same way that fire would consume your good deed. Say for example, someone suddenly become a millionaire. I am giving you a worldly example. Let's say he earned his money through halal. Means I'm not going to talk about haram. Means right halal. Means you become a millionaire. What do people say? People fall into a few categories. Some people won't know okay. Other people will say, wow, mashallah. You did so well, alhamdulillah. May Allah bless you, Allah grant you goodness, and deep down they'll say, may Allah give me. I also need a million. That it's a bad thing. No, it's not a bad thing. I'm happy for you. When it comes money, we are quick to pray. Very fast money, mashallah. And another category is those who will say, and another category is those who will say, these drugs. I'm sure these people are evading tax making so much. You know, just a cover have you ever heard that if you don't have poor evidence in that regard, you are loser. I wrap up my speech with a message that it's been a great experience with you all wonderful people. Thank you so much and have a good day.